This electric washer/dryer is made from stainless steel for durability and corrosion resistance. It has a 15 to 20 kilogram capacity for both washing and drying. With a high-performance electric heating system, it ensures quick washing and drying with minimal noise thanks to the mechanical suspension system. The intuitive control panel accepts coins, tokens, and card readers, making it ideal for commercial settings like laundromats and hotels. It features a 152-liter wash drum and 223-liter drying drum, with motor power from 1.5 kilowatts to 2.2 kilowatts and heating power from 15 kilowatts to 16.5 kilowatts. Dimensions are 910 by 1,210 by 2,040 millimeters, with a weight of 783 kilograms to 1,100 kilograms. A complete range of solutions is available to meet every professional requirement.